comparing various models in Visual Studio 2026 by using GitHub Copilot. I'm testing a variety of models, and all of them are going to be given the same task of making corrections to 6 files. Each class or file is meant to be data access logic, and all have got exactly the same issue that needs to be fixed. And this is simply just data access from a repository where the implementation is wrong. There are these 3 methods that need to be updated, and it's the same pattern for all of them. For the premium models, I select Claude Sonnet 4.5, ChatGPT 5, and Claude Haiku 4.5. The free models selected for this comparison are Grok Fast, ChatGPT 5 Mini. The very first test will not count so much, so that the model is not disadvantaged by having a cold start or being the icebreaker. I do not know the technical details of how Copilot constructs API requests to the backend models. If it caches the requests and then uses that cached data for optimization to be quicker. So the very first test, which will be Grok Fast, will simply just be a free warm-up run. So now running the tests, first Grok Fast, which completed the trial in a very slow time of roughly 5 minutes. Once again, this is only a trial run, just in case there's some sort of backend caching optimization. Next up is Claude Sonnet 4.5. At the moment, this is said to be the best model for coding, and it completed the task in about 90 seconds. The model was very laser focused on just the prompts and didn't perform any other unnecessary actions. Claude Sonnet 4.5 is a premium model and costs 2 cents to complete this very simple task. It can get very expensive if you're doing a big project. 2 cents sounds like nothing. A little bit expensive, I would say. Now, moving on to ChatGPT 5 Mini. It took over 4 minutes. In fact, much closer to 4.5 minutes. For some reason, this model appeared to want to poke around the other projects that are not part of the request. So ChatGPT 5 Mini just wanted to go off with some different tangents, which took a little bit more time. Then testing another premium model, which is ChatGPT 5. It took 90 seconds. This model seems a little too chatty, just like the just like the mini version, and wanting to do a lot of other improvements that it might feel would be useful. I would have preferred for it to just stay focused on this one task, but it still managed to do everything in 90 seconds, which is still quick. Now, Claude Haiku 4.5, which is the cheaper of the Claude models, took just 2.5 minutes. Haiku appeared to have completed the task in just 2 minutes, but then took a while hanging around. I'm not sure what it was still doing. It might have been doing some extra checks in the background. Then finally returning to Grok Fast, and now for this proper test, it took 2.5 minutes. So from this very simplistic test, the true premium models, Claude Sonnet 4.5 and ChatGPT 5, took roughly 1.5 minutes. Just out of interest, I also want to see how long the online web-based chat would take if given the files, if it was just given this simple task of changing the files. Of course, this is not a like-for-like comparison, since I have to copy the files out of the solution, then once the web chat is done, manually update the files in Visual Studio. It's not going to scale if there are many more files that need updating or the files are in different projects. Starting off with DeepSeek, it completed the processing in roughly 55 seconds. So this would be excluding copying the files in and out of Visual Studio. Claude Sonnet did it in roughly 10 minutes. The results of the free web-based chat versions are not really conclusive, since it depends on the traffic or also maybe the time of the day, and I would assume many more people are using Claude as opposed to DeepSeek, which is why it was almost 10 times quicker. So, that's it for this very quick speed test. The experiment is only very superficial, since the models were not given hard tasks that would take a human code a much longer time. But even from this very quick experiment, Claude Sonnet 4.5 stands out as the premium model to use within Copilot in Visual Studio.